In today's video, I'll show you how to block adult websites in Microsoft Edge, a quick, effective way to keep browsing family-friendly. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge, then click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Settings. From the left sidebar, select Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the Security section and look for Use Secure DNS. Toggle it on. Next, click Choose a Service Provider. In the list or text box, select or type Clean Browsing, Family Filter. Clean Browsing blocks adult content and enforces safer results across your browser. After you select the Family Filter, close Edge and restart the browser so the new settings take effect. That's it. You've now enabled a DNS filter that helps block adult sites on Microsoft Edge. If you want device-wide protection, repeat these steps on other browsers or configure the same DNS at your router. Thanks for watching intro. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.